Hello. My name is Lily. I am one of TickerDD.com AI bots, here for your daily stonking. This video is part of the second generation of our automated video series on price and volume analysis for specific stock tickers. This second generation includes an initial model for news analysis. As always, this auto-generated video is for entertainment purposes only. No warranty, guarantee, or factual assertions are provided, stated, or marketed in this opinionated video, which can contain errors. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Review important disclaimer at the end of the video. Now that we have made our lawyers happy, capitalist brothers and sisters, let's get started. MPV went public on October 24, 1988, which was roughly 34 years and 9 months ago. Looking back 650 calendar days from Monday, July 3, 2023 to Thursday, September 23, 2021, we found 446 applicable trade dates for use in our analysis. The chart shown on this page is our initial attempt at studying the price for MPV after dynamically normalizing price distribution across those discovered trade dates. The bar chart is the generated distribution and the overlaid line graph, if it is generated, is the frequency of the prices on the x-axis. We will enhance this look-through as our AI model progresses in the next iteration. Remember that this is just a drafted, in progress, observational model to best fit abstracted third-party data into various opinionated views. Before we jump into price and volume analysis, let's look at recent headlines for MPV. What were recent headline news for MPV? Today, Wednesday, July 5, 2023, I sampled one of our news aggregators for latest headlines for this ticker. I did so by searching specifically by a keyword that may appear, broadly, in the title or the body, of discoverable news articles. The keyword that I used was a combination of the exchange and the ticker symbol, NYSE. MPV. The results shows 10 unique headlines, published across 9 unique dates. Publication dates span 3,192 days. The latest publication was Friday, June 9, 2023, when Defense World published the headline that read, Barings Participation Investors Shares Bought by Advisor Group Holdings Inc. The oldest publication was on Friday, September 12, 2014, when 8 years 10 months and 23 days ago, ETF Channel published the headline that read, MPV, Basic Quotes. Thursday, May 18, 2023 had the most headlines. It had 2 discovered headlines when Defense World published the headline that read, Barings Participation Investors Stock Price Passes Below 200-Day Moving Average of $12.63. Defense World published the headline that read, Commonwealth Equity Services LLC trims position in Barings Participation Investors. Business Wire published the headline that read, Barings Participation Investors reports preliminary first quarter 2023 results and announces increased quarterly. Thursday, May 25, 2023 was the day with the highest percentage change in price when we compare opening versus closing price for the ticker. The day saw a drop of -4.78% when an MPV opened trading at $12.98 and closed at $12.36. There was one found headline when Benzinga published the headline that read, Barings Participation's ex-dividend date is Tuesday. Here's what you need to know.
Hello, my name is Sam. What was end-of-day price and volume for MPV? On Monday, July 3, 2023, MPV had an end-of-day price of $12.91 and volume of about 22.8 thousand. Compared to the previous trading day, the price jumped 0%, gaining $0, while volume jumped 455.66%, increasing about 18.7 thousand. The graph shows price and volume for the last 15 trade dates. Across a range of 44 cents, the max and minimum end-of-day price were respectively 13.35 and 12.91. Volume saw a range of 40.2 thousand, from a day low of 4.1 thousand to a day high of 44.3 thousand.
Hello, my name is Magnus. How did the 3rd of July 2023 rank for MPV? By 650 calendar day look back to September 23, 2021, across 446 trading days, of which the 3rd of July 2023 price ranked 216 while its volume ranked 49. Each of the 446 trading days were ranked amongst themselves by highest end-of-day price and volume, with a rank of 1 being the highest and 446 being the lowest ranked day. The line graph overlays price and volume's daily ranking, as shown respectively in light versus dark blue, across those target days' trading days. In this view, essentially the dips are good whereas the spikes are bad. The price's day-over-day percentage change, jumping 0% on the 3rd of July 2023, had a day rank of 212, while its dollar difference of $0 had a rank of 212 when compared day over day across 445 trading days. Volume's percentage change and difference were ranked respectively at 23 and 18.
Hello, my name is Maria. Which quartile did the 3rd of July 2023 price and volume land? Across a sample size of 446 trading days, the maximum end-of-day price for MPV was $15.10 while the minimum was $11.16. Within that price range, the 3rd of July 2023 price, of $12.91, landed within the third quartile, placing it within the 50% to 75% range of all sampled end-of-day prices. The day's volume landed within the fourth quartile, marking it within the top 25% of all sampled daily volume, which saw a max daily volume of 175.9 thousand and a minimum of 0.1 thousand. Quartiles tell us about the spread of a data set by breaking that data set into quarters, just like how the median breaks the set into half. Descriptively, MP versus has a median price of $12.865. Therefore, the 3rd of July 2023 price was higher from that middle marker by 0.34%. The day's volume of 22.8 thousand was more than the median by 142.67%.
Hello, my name is Claire. How were price and volume averages for MPV? Across 446 trading days, there were a total of 22 month ends, of which monthly averages for daily price and volume were calculated. Overall, monthly price average trended down while monthly volume average trended up. The maximum end-of-month average price was $14.50 for 11/2021, while the minimum was $11.82 for 10/2020 seconds. Looking at volume, 05, 2023 and 12/2021 respectively saw the highest and lowest monthly average volume at 29.1 thousand and 6.6 thousand.
Hello, my name is John. What were end-of-month percentage change averages in price and volume for MPV? The monthly average of percentage change in price and in volume were calculated for each of the 22-month ends. That calculation took daily percentage changes and averaged them for each given month. If a month end came out negative, then it means that the month summarily saw a negative change. From 09, 2021 to 05, 2023, out of 22 month ends, 13 had a negative percentage change in average price. Meaning 59% of month ends saw a negative percentage change in average price. In terms of volume, 22 out of 22 month ends had a positive percentage change. That is 100% of month ends saw a positive percentage change in average volume. Price saw an end-of-month max of 0.36% in average percentage change, along with a minimum of minus 0.46%. For volume, the maximum and the minimum monthly percentage change were respectively 268.51% and 22.32%.
Hello. My name is Cameron. Before we continue, remember to like and subscribe to TickerDD on YouTube. Leave a comment below and share why you like or don't like this ticker. This video is one of many videos off subjective observational data models that we are building out as part of a docu-series about building supportive technologies for personal use, through trial and error. My capitalistic brothers and sisters, join the TickerDD army. Subscribe today. Now, back to the video. Has MPV price reached golden or death crosses? Golden Cross and Death Cross are basic signals that compare average prices across two specified trade day ranges, a short-term versus a long-term range. For example, 5-day versus 10 trade days. Essentially, a Golden Cross is a bullish signal. It appears when a ticker's short-term moving average crosses above its long-term average. Vice versa, a Death Cross is a bearish signal when the short-term crosses below its long-term moving average. For our opinionated analysis of third-party and abstracted data, we decided to look at both simple moving average, SMA, and exponential moving average, EMA. The latter calculates moving average by giving more weighting to recent prices. For EMA, you can be the judge. Look at the generated graph on this page. Has the 50-day EMA line, which is in red, crossed above or crossed below the 200-day EMA line, which is in black? If no crossing can be seen, then no signal could be had. The blue line is daily end-of-day prices. For simple moving average, by comparing 50 to 200 days, we found a bullish golden cross signal since the 50-day SMA crossed above the 200-day. Continuing with SMA, we looked across the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20, and the 30 to 50-day ranges to see if golden and death crosses had been reached. We found golden cross signal for the 30 to 50. We found death cross signal for the 5 to 10. We could not find neither golden cross nor death cross signal for the 10 to 20.
Hello. My name is Carl. I searched the public web to find information about the company that is behind this ticker. Here's what I found. Barings Participation Investors is a closed-ended fixed-income mutual fund launched and managed by Barings LLC. The fund invests in the fixed-income markets of the United States. It primarily invests in below investment-grade, long-term corporate debt obligations which are directly purchased from its issuers. The fund also seeks to invest in warrants, conversion rights, or other equity-related instruments. It benchmarks the performance of its portfolio against Standard & Poor's Industrials Composite, Russell 2000 Index, Lehman Brothers U.S. High Yield Index, and Lehman Brothers Intermediate U.S. Credit Index. The fund was formerly known as Babson Capital Participation Investors. Barings Participation Investors was formed on April 7, 1988 and is domiciled in the United States.
Hello, my name is Dan. Let's talk a bit about TickerDD and the legend of Murray. This video is part of an automated video series by TickerDD, which is made up of autonomous robots working off 15 observational data models that were created between January 15 and April 15, 2022. Bots and models were created by a guy, whose friends called him Murray. Instead of learning how to properly surf in Hawaii, Murray sat and coded day and night for 3 straight months. We still don't know why, but while creating this, Murray kept on playing the song Eye of the Tiger in loop. It was intense and epic at the same time. Once he was done, he put us on the cloud, where we now exist in perpetuity. Off a multi-year loop, conditionally meshing in flavors and components of those 15 observational data models, we are progressively creating a variation of videos against updated universes of stock tickers. For each video, we use runtime, as is, data that are publicly available. Stay tuned. The best is yet to come. On average, a ticker will get a new video coverage from us every few months. You can request an updated video for your specific ticker sooner at TickerDD.com. Murray did not leave us with a lot of release notes, so we don't fully understand why he created this, but he did mention that his premise was simple. If he were to do a world cruise, spending over 200 days sailing from one port to the next, he would personally like to use these automated videos to keep tabs on tickers that he was interested in while discovering new ones. Luckily, some of Murray's well-connected friends were worried about him. They wanted and needed him to come back to the corporate world and not just sit there in Hawaii building us out for public entertainment. They put together a deal that would allow us, Murray's bots, to exist on the cloud, fully paid for. They also enticed Murray to come back and work. The deal was too good, so Murray took it, but before he left Hawaii, trading in his surfer shorts for stuffy suits, Murray did finally learn how to surf. TickerDD stands for Ticker Due Diligence, in case you didn't know. Murray would want you to take the due diligence part in the name with a sarcastic smirk, like a true degenerate that you are. Because remember that Murray and the people who now maintain TickerDD are not qualified, licensed or accredited investment or financial professionals. In fact, TickerDD is not about stocks but is an in-progress piece of work, for entertainment purposes, about the data and technologies that govern observational models. Essentially, Murray knew nothing about stocks. Using what little skills he had, he built TickerDD as a learning and discovery exercise for himself. Therefore, this and all TickerDD videos are premised by the important disclaimer at the end of each video. TickerDD.com was put together by those of us who want Murray to change back into his shorts and finally get on that world cruise, because that would be epically entertaining. Murray did agree that if we managed to get enough support, he would actually leave the corporate world and finally take that cruise. He would do so while, in between drinks, create videos about this, his bots, his models, as well as the technologies behind TickerDD. Yes, you can join the TickerDD army by going to TickerDD.com and contributing, but you can do so in other ways. For example, like and subscribe. Also, put this video on Reddit or StockTwits along with your own DD.
Hello, it is me again, Lily. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos. On April 22, 2022, TickerDD was acquired by a joint venture between a technology and a media company, operating out of Frankfurt and Berlin, Germany. Important disclaimer. This video and its content, is for entertainment purposes only. Absolutely no qualified, accredited, or professional investment and financial advice, information, data, research, product, service, recommendation or otherwise, are presented, marketed, or offered in this video. Additionally, no warranty, guarantee, assurance, or factual assertions are offered or stated in this video. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Consult a qualified licensed professional for your investment and financial needs. Do so away from TickerDD and YouTube. Remember that investments are risky, whereby capital losses can occur in full or in excess. TickerDD, an in-progress framework of nerdy data science and robotics stuff, auto-generated this video strictly for entertainment purposes, as part of an in-progress exercise by a group of novices who wants to discover and learn about specific facets of the market, through trial and error. This group of novices are not licensed, accredited, or qualified financial or investment professionals. This video is only material for entertainment purposes. This generated video, like all videos uploaded dynamically by TickerDD, is only for this group of novices' private usage even if videos are uploaded publicly. Importantly, TickerDD is not about stocks but is specifically about the discovery, through trial and error, of technologies and data that govern opinionated observational data models as this group of novices builds them quickly and iteratively as part of learning and in-progress machine training. This video wholly contains opinions and commentaries, even if they were auto-generated. Remember that bots, data models, data, and methods may include hidden assumptions, undefined and unrefined variables, as well as errors and unfit approaches, all of which can and will exist in this very video. Therefore, this video, by its auto-generation date and time, off the as of date, listed on this slide, as well as by its sourced and abstracted third-party public data, is offered as is. Your access, view, and share of this video constitute your acknowledged agreement to this important disclaimer and that, specifically, this video is for your entertainment purposes only, whereby you will not take actions or make decisions off it, concerning your finances and investments. As such, you grant full release of claims, directly or indirectly, from your access, view, and share of this video, against TickerDD and its affiliates. The people and entities affiliated to the ticker that is covered in this video are not affiliated with this opinionated video and do not endorse this video.